In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start trading futures for free using a demo account so that you can do some practice before funding your accounts. The exchange I will use for this demo is BingX. Now, the first 50 persons to sign up with my link in the description will get a $20 trading bonus. You can trade with the bonus, and any profit you make, you can withdraw. BingX also have different bonuses within the platform up to $1,000. So use that link in the description, register and verify your accounts. BingX was founded in 2018. It is a crypto social trading exchange that offers both cryptocurrency spots and derivative trading services. BingX allows users to trade not only cryptocurrencies, but also global indices and other contract trading products. Now, by social, what I mean is that it allows traders to communicate, share trades, and copy one another's trade. BingX is also amongst the top exchanges in the derivative market. Now, before I show you how to trade futures, we'll first look at how to fund your account on BingX, deposit and withdraw. You'll also be learning how to set up a bot to trade for you and how to copy someone else's trade. Let's get started. If you've registered and downloaded the app, what you're going to see is this particular page, and you can buy cryptocurrencies with your fiat money, say dollar or naira or whatever currency is your local currency, by clicking on buy here. Choose to use either P2P or buy with card. Now, if you choose P2P, you can use either Express, where you just enter the amount and click on buy with zero fee, or you click on flexible. But you can see now that there's no ads here already, which means that they just launched their P2P platform, which is an opportunity for you. If you're a merchant, you can come to BingX and list and be one of the first to start trading the P2P market. Now, if you go back and click on buy again, you can actually buy with card here. If you click on buy with card, so for this, you enter the amount. Let's say I want to buy $100. I click on done. It will bring out the payment processors I can use. I can use MoonPay that accept both Master, Visa, and MetroCard. I can also use Add Cash or ADV Cash rather. Now, because we're in Nigeria, we can actually use our card because the Nigerian card have some limitation unless you're using the dollar Master card. So the only way you can now deposit money into BingX is through cryptocurrencies. To do that, you go to this section that says, you see the bottom menu, you see home, market, sports, futures, copy trading, and assets. Let's click on assets. So here is where we can actually deposit cryptocurrencies. So you can see different accounts. I have fund accounts, futures accounts, copy trading accounts, and grid account, and also NFT share charts. So it depending on what I want to do. If you want to just have my money on BingX, I'll put it in fund accounts. If I want to trade futures with it, I'll put it in futures accounts. If I want to copy someone else's trade with it, I'll put it in copy trading accounts. So you can see how it is. And with this transfer here, I can actually move from one account to the other. Y converts actually let me to instantly convert one cryptocurrency for another without going through the trade room. We also have deposits. So let's say you want to deposit a coin into BingX. You click on deposit here, and you now select the coin you want to deposit. Let's say, so there are lots of coins here. I can actually go and search for them here. Let's say I want to deposit USDT. I'll click on it. So I can deposit USDT either, now this is the TRC20 network. I can deposit in the ERC, TRC, BEP20, Solana, and even Polygon network. So make sure you're depositing into the right network. And I can choose to deposit it straight into my standard futures account, or I can have it go to my fund account, right? So with this, I can then copy this address and give it to someone to send cryptocurrency to me, but it must be in the Polygon network. As a matter of fact, let me just go ahead and deposit USDT into this account. Now I've made a deposit of $200 to this address. If you go back to the asset page, you will see that my fund account now has $200. Now to withdraw is actually the same thing. You click on the withdraw here, right? You choose the coin you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw USD, for example. You select the network you want to withdraw to. You have ERC, Solana, Polygon, and the rest. You enter your address here, enter the number of coin you want to withdraw, and that is it. You click on withdraw here, and it will arrive once the network has confirmed it. Now, after withdrawal, you see, so you can deposit and withdraw into BingX. Now, the next thing you can do is to trade futures. You go to this futures at the bottom menu here. You click on it. Then you can choose to trade standard futures, or you can choose to trade perpetual futures. The basic difference between the standard futures and the perpetual futures is that you can trade Forex, indices, and commodity on BingX using the standard futures. And perpetual is more like for more advanced traders here on BingX. So let us stick with standard futures for now. To trade this, you can see that there are different cryptocurrency pairs you can trade. You can also find different commodities, like I can see EGLD. You can trade gold if you want to trade gold. You can trade different commodities here on BingX. Let's say, for example, we want to trade, say, because let's go with BTC. We want to trade BTC. Now, BTC has fallen drastically. So this is what you see. The way I did it is that when I typed BTC, I clicked on BTC USDT standard future. So this is it. So this is how we start trading. Now, if you look at the bottom, you can either go long or short. When you go long, you are saying that you are betting that the market is going to go up. If you click on short, if you want to go short, it means that you are predicting that the market is going to go down. Then here, you can actually go by market order or trigger order. The trigger order is more like limit order. You want to set the price at which you want to enter the market. Why market say it's just saying that you enter the market immediately. Then here you can see the VST account. If I click on this little drop down here, I can see my different accounts: BTC account, USDT, VTC, USDT bonus. So when you sign up my link and get a $20 bonus, you can just click on this USDT bonus, right, to trade with that bonus. Now VST is virtual, right? So this is the demo account. Here you can trade with up to 100,000 VST, but it is virtual money. It means that you cannot withdraw it. You can only practice with it. BingX, I think, is only exchange that does this. Now, so for me to place my trade, the next thing you see here is leverage. So you have 1x, 5x, 20x, up to 125x. As a matter of fact, you can click on this icon here to actually manually set the leverage you want. So I can set 4x instead of 5x, right? Now, leverage is like you're borrowing money to trade. So if I'm trading with $5 and I want to trade with 5x leverage, it's just like saying 5 times 5. It means that I'm actually trading with $25 instead of $5. So I'll earn more when I trade with a higher leverage. When I'm earning, I'll earn 5 times more. When I'm losing, I'll also lose 5 times more. So be careful of the leverage you are using. And the good thing is that on here, you're actually using a demo account to practice. So that is leverage. Let us stick with the 5x leverage. The next one is the margin. So you can just choose what percentage of your account do you want to trade with. So I'm still on VST, which is I have about 99,000 VST left. So I can choose to, that is the amount now. So I want to trade with 1,000 VST. Or let me leave that 100 VST, right? So you can just click it. If I want to select percentage, I can click it to select the percentage of my portfolio, 20%, 50%, and all that. But you can actually enter it manually. So the next thing I can do is to click on this advanced setting here. So this is 18,000. Let's make this 18,600. So my profit is 27,000. And let's make this 17,010. So look at this. So when I'm making profit, it's saying that if my trade closed in profits, I will go with a profit of $27. So I will have $100 plus $27. But if it goes the other way and I hit stop loss, it means that I'll be stopped when I've made a loss of $17. So it's either I go with a profit of $27 or I go with a loss of $17. Now, when you're conducting, if you actually conduct a better technical analysis, you can actually get a better ratio. Click on done, then confirm trade. This is how I place my trade. So you can see, if I click on this order here, I can see my order. Now, beside this, say you don't want to do all this thing yourself, you can actually go ahead and use a bot to trade for you. Let me show you how you can do that. So if you go back to the home page, right, by clicking on this home in the menu, you will see grid trading here. You can click on it. So you can do grid trading in spots, futures, or spots infinity grid. This is new. I will explain. So normally for grid trading, what happens is you select an upper limit and a lower limit, and you have grids in between. Trade in between those grids, which means that grid trading is best for trading a ranging market. That is so you have it for futures and for sports. But the introduction of the sports infinity trade is that you will not have an upper limit. So even when the market is trending up, you will keep on trading, right? So it is very easy to set up. Let's say we want to actually set up the sports grid. We'll click on create grid here. Yes, I understand. Click on this, right? One coin I like to trade is BNB. Then go to BNB, USDT. I click on that. Then what happens here is that the bot automatically generates the parameter for you. So you can see it's choosing a price range between 302 to 373, right? And it's saying that the number of grid is 36 and the profit you make per grid is 0.34 to 0.46. Mind you, BingX grid trading is actually free for now. But you can decide, so now you can choose here to actually say how much am I putting into this trade. Maybe 10% of my portfolio or 20% or even 50% since I have $200 here. Now, if I don't want the bot to automatically select my parameter, I can choose to either click here to modify the parameter where it says modify parameter, or I click on manual to enter the price range myself. Let's go back to auto. I like to click on modify parameter. So I can choose to actually bring this down to say 290. Then I can choose to say reduce my grid to 20. So the profit is between 0.99 to 1.31%, right? Then I can choose to also say enter 50% of my investment. I can actually click here to enter, so I want to enter 90 or a different figure. So that is it. Then I click on create grid. Okay. So I have successfully entered grid trading bots, and this is it here. If you want to use for futures, of course, it's for futures trading. So for infinity sports, it's the same thing. I click on it. I also want to trade BNB. So I select BNB here. I can just enter my investment here and just click on create, or I can also choose to modify it here. You can now see the minimum price is what it's showing me here. It doesn't show me a maximum price or a price range, just the minimum price, 284, which is great. I can also choose to say enter $40 here or say $50 and also enter this. This is simply how I create my grid trading bots. So this will trade for me on autopilot no matter what I'm doing. So let's look at, say you don't do all these things, but you want to copy someone else's trade. How do you do that? It's simple. If you go back to the home page here, you see copy trade. You can also copy traders on the futures market. You can see futures here at the top left corner, or you can click on spot here to copy somebody trading spots. So for futures, you can see this guy, right? You can see 30 days ROI, which is 2%, and it has 1,962% copying his trade, and his risk level is 4. So you have different traders here. They are also kind of graded in terms of trending traders. You can see conservative traders whose risk level is lower than every other trader. Now, to get more information on a particular trader, you just tap on that particular trader. Here, it's going to show you the trader statistics, its feeds. It's more like maybe it's dropping some of them drop some information on how to follow their trade. Then you can see their profits, their position, with regards to their weekly profits. You can see these guys have made profits. The last week he made loss, and this week is in profits. You can also sort this by, say, 7 days, 90 days, and all and no. So it's actually very comprehensive. If you want to copy this guy's trade, I just click on copy now. Okay, then I can actually copy him with VST. Like I said earlier, VST is my demo account to see how much profit I can make. So let's say I want to copy him with my VST to know how much it can make me before I start copying his trade with real money. So I'm entering 1,000 VST here. I can also choose to manually set my take profit and stop loss, but just copy whatever the guy has straight up. Oh, so for VST, you cannot copy a trader with more than 200 VST. This has been successful. So now I'm copying this trader. Let's look at spot grid as well. The same thing, you have different traders. You can click to check their statistics and the number of persons that are copying them. If I want to copy them as well, I can just click on copy now, right? But here, I cannot copy using VST. I must use real money. So I can enter, I have $60. Let's say I want to copy this guy. I can enter, say, $20 for a test. And I click on done, and I click on copy, and automatically I am copying this guy's trade. This is simply how you copy a trade on BingX. To see all the trades that I've copied, I click on my trade here at the top right corner. So USDT, I'm copying USDT using the spot, right? So you can see the $20 I'm copying with. If I click on this USDT and change it to VST, then what I'm copying here is with VST. So you can see how it is going here. So this is just simply how you trade futures on BingX. So you can trade futures, you can set up a grid trading bot, or you can copy other people's trade. Again, if you want to get the $20 bonus, just sign up with my link in the description. Be among the first 50 to sign up, and you get that $20, and you can go and trade with that. And the good thing I like about BingX is that they have the way you can practice to see if your trade is good before you fund your account with real money. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.